Alright, so which ones are we doing?
First I'm gonna say, hello, it's me, and welcome to Trying MREs.
Good enough.
Okay. So, we went to the store the other day, or technically, yeah, the other day, because I was at work till midnight. We got this Apple Watch. It's officially fully charged and working. It's worked well.
Is this the update?
The update? Yeah, this is the little update that I'm gonna do. It's not really gonna be like a little video, a separate video. It's just gonna be a quick little update. It works well. I don't really need a blood oxygen scanner.
What about the preset? Can you make watches like the watch face, or
you can't make your own? You got to go through the app, but I can't really show them because.
Okay, what do you think about the selection of the?
I would want more.
So you don't think there's enough watch?
There's
selections?
not enough watch faces.
Do you think your previous one had better and more?
No, it's all the same.
It's all the same.
Yeah, the new update came out with a couple more, but I still prefer something more traditional, like a real watch. This one has my heart rate on it, and it also has a compass, a little compass right there, so you know what direction you're going.
Another thing is, are the wristbands just as bad as the previous?
They're the exact same wristband.
Okay.
It's the exact same thing. I got them upstairs because I took them off, remember?
Oh, you took the wristband?
I took this type of wristband off my old watch and put on a cloth one because it's more comfortable, which I'm going to have to do at one point.
Would the other one be compatible with that one?
Yes, but we don't have my other watch.
Yeah, that's true.
Which is why I got said watch. All right, so we went to the store, the military supply store as well as Walmart, and we got 5 MREs, and we're going to do 3 videos. 2 with the wife, and 1 by myself, and it'll probably be the pizza episode because she, believe it or not, doesn't like pizza the traditional way, like tomato sauce and cheese. She likes the Alfredo and chicken or the barbecue chicken pizzas.
He doesn't count anything else.
I don't like those. I don't count them as pizzas. I count those as something completely different. Pizza has tomato sauce. Fight me. Okay, so we got beef taco, which is one of my choices. It's menu number 6. Let's put that off to the side. I don't know if I want beef taco yet. It's gonna be one of 2. We got meatballs and marinara, which is her second choice. She wants a different one today. So let's put that on your side.
You're going to need to put these away anyways.
Oh, I will. I'm just reaching in to get them. And we got chicken chunks, which is the other one of my choice, which I believe I saw a review. They're basically the same thing, except for this one's beef taco, and this one's basically like a chicken taco. They both come with tortillas.
I would try this first then.
Yeah.
And you heard
this one also, I believe,
good.
comes with hot sauce or barbecue sauce. I forgot which one he said.
Okay. Was that the really good one or the really bad one?
This was his favorite, I think.
Okay.
And then this is either pizza or your other choice. There it is. Creamy spinach fettuccine.
Fettuccine.
It's fettuccine. It's a little inside joke. All right, so this is your first choice, right?
Yeah.
All right. And then for the last video, which I'll be posting in part 3 of Trying MREs, I'll probably be doing more. I'm debating on getting a Russian one. This one's the pizza MRE, pizza with pepperoni, which from the reviews, it looks exactly like a school pizza, like a rectangle pizza. But that's going back in the bag. I'm back in this little, my brother called it a trash bag, but it says thank you. Trash doesn't say thank you. And you're putting back your meatballs and marinara for tomorrow.
Yeah.
For next video, whenever that's coming out.
Hi. If you hadn't noticed, if I say hi randomly, or it's either a person or my cat.
Chicken chunks.
Yeah, she seems a little weirded out.
Oh yeah. I'll leave you to figure out where you want that. It does not fit in the bathroom. If you don't want to use the toilet,
It fits.
it fits.
But if you want to use the toilet, it doesn't fit.
I don't think she knows of the litter box yet because there's no litter in it. But what are we gonna open first?
Well, are we
I already got my hot water
Are
ready.
we gonna
for
rip
some
this
coffee.
open?
It's a easy open, so you just open it like a Ziploc bag, except for it doesn't seal back up again. Let me
Okay.
put mine off to the side. You need my help? Let you struggle. She's struggling.
Let me struggle.
Well, let me talk about some more features of the watch while she's struggling.
Thanks.
Alright, so it's got the little heart rate scanner on there. Hold on, let me. And we're back. That cut off because I ran out of video
Space.
So you got it?
His phone ran out of space. Yeah.
You opened it.
Yeah, I opened it. You want me to, or you want me to wait for you to open it?
No, I'm waiting for you to open yours. Yours is going first.
Take stuff out one at a time. It just says creamy fettuccine.
Yeah, it's your fettuccine.
Is that the sauce? It looks like the sauce.
That might be your whole thing.
Pretzels.
And since we know I'm running low on space, I wouldn't take too long.
I'm sorry.
Neither accessory packet.
My
That's your drink.
beverage.
This is a drink pouch, yeah.
And what's this? This is chocolate.
Mmm.
Ooh.
Chocolate flavor first.
This is,
nutrition.
there's coffee.
No, that's not chocolate. That's an energy bar.
Ooh.
So this is her accessory packet, which comes with like gum, coffee, matches, toilet paper, wet wrap, wet.
Okay.
Wipe.
This
You're
is
the chocolate one.
yeah, the chocolate protein drink powder.
Oh, I didn't get you water for that.
No, it's fine. This is my heating
Yeah, it's your heater.
and crackers.
Crackers. Did you get something to put on the crackers? Or did you just get crackers?
It might be in here.
No, it's not. That's it.
I do it just crackers, and then whatever this is.
That's what you put this in
Okay.
to seal it. It might be good to dip your crackers in your Alfredo.
Yeah.
That's a good idea. Oh, yeah, that's not just Alfredo sauce. There's a little bit of stuff in there. But you got
Well, it says it's spinach too.
you got pretzels.
Yeah.
I don't like pretzels, so that's good. Alright, so I'm gonna put your stuff on your side, and I'll let you figure your stuff out while I open mine. You'll see what I have here. This one is the chicken chunks. There it is. Alright, what do I got? I don't know what that smells like. I got tortillas. Plain tortillas. A nutrition thing. Oh no, that's a orange beverage powder. I got cheese spread. You didn't even get cheese spread.
No. You got
M&Ms.
M&Ms, bro. Oh my got pretzels.
I'll give you my M&Ms because I don't really eat chocolate. I got, no, it's barbecue sauce,
Oh.
not hot sauce.
Do you want to try my energy bar?
Cool.
Spoon.
They are heavy duty.
Yeah, they're really nice.
Trail mix.
You got all the nice ones. Damn. I'm so jealous right now. Why did I pick that one? That's your...
Cranberry grape juice mix.
Oh, I got the coffee. You
I got
grape
salt.
juice.
Yeah, I got no coffee. I just got juice.
Alright, so we're gonna end up trading a little bit.
Cool. And then here's my chicken chunks. Oh wait, I also got an energy bar. A little chocolate flavored nutritious energy. And chicken chunks. Where's my heater? Big a heater?
I don't think you need a heater.
It's chicken chunks. It needs to be warm.
You think
Not
in the
gonna do
military they care?
I do.
What's this?
The guy got a heater with his.
I got
We can put them both in the same bag, maybe. You can try.
Okay.
Where's yours?
Mine?
Let's see if we can fit them both in there. So what we gotta do is just peel the top off.
This stuff, this is my
I can put
chocolate
mine probably
protein
next
powder.
to yours.
And this is my fettuccine.
Let's put your fettuccine in there.
Oh, do you want to put the coffee in there too?
I'm not putting the coffee in here.
No, in your...
Oh yeah, in the cup. Yeah, I can do that. Let's see if these chicken chunks will fit in here as well. Normally they're made for one meal, but they only gave us one heater. How rude.
And then you gotta just pour water in there?
I'll put it next to it, yeah. Yeah, then we gotta pour water up to this line. So, let's see. Can you hold that for me? Just get this. No, not yet.
Wait,
Oh, good.
do not overfill, it's up here.
Oh, is it all the way up there? That's a good thing this isn't drinking water, huh?
Alright.
Okay. So, leave a little corner up like that so it can steam. So let's put that in here. Now try to widen it as much as possible so I can actually get my chicken chunks in there. Chicken chunks. Where is the heater side?
Yeah, you got it on the right side.
Okay, good. Alright. And then you gotta put it on a rock or something, because that's what it says. Literally it says, or something. Alright, so I will put it on your sister's work hat.
Sisters. It's me.
Pretty sure.
So, you didn't even get a beverage back, did you?
No, I didn't. Coffee. Right? This one's right? This one's yours? Okay.
Yeah.
Coffee.
Have coffee in there.
Next time I make an MRE video, it's gonna be with my actual camera. This one might end up being in 2 parts because my space runs out. If it runs out again, just know, if it just ends all of a sudden, there's going to be a part 2. Moist.
Hot sauce. Hot sauce came with mine.
Oh, you got hot sauce? For your Alfredo?
This is coffee. Coffee or tea.
This is creamer, non-dairy.
Salt.
That's coffee. So let's put the creamer in.
Don't you want to put the coffee in first?
No, it doesn't matter.
Okay.
Did you even get a spoon?
Yeah, I got a spoon.
Okay. That's good. I like coffee. Coffee.
That was horrible.
It really was. I am.
You want to go get scissors?
That didn't work.
Scissors?
Scissors.
You almost put on the cup.
Okay. Coffee. No, wait, that's the creamer.
Yeah, creamer.
Doesn't really smell like anything.
It's creamer. What do you expect? It doesn't smell like anything. It's creamer.
Okay, so coffee. Is it steaming yet?
No, it's not. Maybe.
The food.
It's the same direction as the cup, so I was confused.
And instant coffee.
Yeah, you need to.
If I had a chocolate powder, what I would do is put the chocolate.
Do you
in
want to
there
use
make
my
a mocha.
spoon, or do you want to use your spoon?
I'll use my spoon. Use your spoon to be used by you.
Okay.
I'll put this in my bag.
Oh, and then
And let's mix the coffee up. I think I put way too much water in there. I definitely did. Let's see. Oh, I most certainly did. But it does taste good. I can try it again in another part. I know I watered this down a little too much this time.
you'll probably get coffee when it's one of the other ones.
Yeah.
And also with these packs, we get some salts.
Ooh. Put that over here. I'll get rid of some of my trash here. Make more room for stuff. Alright, so we got snacks as well.
Did you want to do this first?
I gotta go get some water.
Okay.
I'll go fill up 2 cups. We got 2 drinks. We got 3.
Oh yeah, because
But the juice.
River, this protein powder was probably supposed to fit in there.
Off?
This protein powder,
What protein?
the chocolate protein powder drink,
Yeah.
was supposed to probably fit in that thing.
No, that's just powder.
Yeah, you put water.
It's protein powder.
Ugh.
You can drink it cold.
Alright, well, let's pour this into here.
And then I also got what is that?
Dude,
Orange flavored.
this is sugar free.
Sugar's 22 grams.
By the way, this is the stuff that came with your coffee.
Smells good.
Yeah, it does smell good, but it's very... We're gonna need another cup if we want to do my protein drink. You did not think I had it.
We can drink it from the pouch.
Oh, yeah, we can. That's true.
Okay.
Last year.
Orange flavored beverage drink. Let's see if this feels warm yet.
How long does it usually set for?
Hmm?
How long does it need to be set for?
Don't know. It's not hot.
Can you pull it out really quick and see the instructions?
My chicken chunks are blocking it. Yeah, it's not even hot at all. Okay, so fold up on top, add water, stuff assembly with water heater underneath, and place under on a rock or something. Doesn't feel warm at all.
I feel like worst case scenario, we have to put it in like boiling water.
Well, I don't know if it feels a little warmer or not. No, it doesn't. Maybe it did. Hold sleeve until heater feels warm. Oh, wait. Oh, I hear something happening now. Oh, it's getting warmer now. Slightly. Listen. It's doing something. Does it have a leak? No. Okay. So I'm just going to leave it like this for a couple of minutes while it gets a little warmer. And then I'm going to put it in its pouch with the chicken chunks. Alright, so drinks. Any good? Let's try it. Yeah.
I probably should have had more water with mine.
Mine literally tastes like emergency, like the little bags that you get when you have like a cold. And it's called emergency. It's a vitamin C orange flavored thing.
Ooh, I don't like that.
Oh, that tastes good. That tastes like grape juice.
I don't like this. This is weird.
This is also weird. Should still work.
We busted. Oh no.
I'm just going to completely seal it this time. Maybe that does something. Chicken chunks.
Other side?
Huh? I'm putting it on the flatter side, so it, yeah. Okay.
Doesn't the heater have to be on the bottom?
What?
Heater on the bottom side?
Okay. So they give us matches. I like that. I like matches.
Alright, so do you want to try my dry stuff? So I have a lot of dry stuff.
I don't like pretzels.
No, you don't, but we have crackers.
Oh, we got crackers. I got tortillas. I'm saving my cheese sauce for the actual chicken chop.
Do you want to get plates?
Oh, we got barbecue sauce too.
We also have these bars of chocolate.
Chocolate energy bar?
Yeah.
We can open one of these.
Okay. Okay, so you want to do the crackers first?
Sure. Nice hit.
I did that hiss. That's weird. They look like giant saltines.
It's so weird. It's not even hot. We may need to microwave it, yeah. I'll give it a little bit. Okay.
Cracker for you.
Crackers. Mm.
And cracker for me.
Should I just put a little bit of cheese sauce on it?
Hold on. Let's try these crackers first.
Try them alone.
Yeah. These would be basically saltines without salt.
It's actually really good though. I prefer these over saltines, even without the salt. Yeah, I like that. Mm.
Nice. Okay, I'll save the rest of mine. That's really good, actually. Okay, so do you want to try this?
Yeah, you open it. I'm just gonna do this a little bit with the cheese. Don't know if I did that wrong or not. I'm gonna look up something else before we do the second MRE. See if I did something wrong with it.
You probably did.
Okay.
Ooh, whoa.
See? That looks good.
Can't even get it out.
You enjoy that.
Probably will. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It looks like some kind of granola bar of sorts.
Come on, jeez. Is it good?
You want to try it?
I can't.
Why can't you?
It's not tea.
It's literally not chocolate.
It is chocolate.
Well, you know what I mean.
Fine, I'll try it.
It's better than I expected.
Tastes good though.
I just said it's better than I expected.
Tastes good. Okay. Where's my scissors? Ah,
You're done massaging the cheese?
kidnapped them. I can say kidnapped because this isn't a...
I didn't get any cheese for mine.
Actually, I probably will get demonetized for that. I don't know.
What?
I'm not even monetized right now, so it's fine. I won't even get paid for this video. Jeez. Don't demonetize me, though, YouTube. If this video ever does pay me. What was that?
Mincer.
Okay. So let's roll this up a little bit. Get to the cheese. Oh, that is cheese. I thought it was like a little something. There we go. Cheese. Ah, you got your thing. Oh, that's cheese. It's literally Cheese Whiz. Yeah, that's exactly what that is. It's a little bit more sharper taste.
Oh, I was gonna say dehydrated.
There you go. Oh.
It does seem more dehydrated. Oh, sharp cheddar.
Yeah. That was what I was thinking.
This is incredibly weird.
Good though. Okay, but the downside is,
It's not working.
why the heck won't this heat up? Oh. It feels warm.
Ooh. Oh yeah, that's definitely warm.
Let's swing it over on this side a little bit. Yeah, it's heating up. Don't know how long that's going to take. So I guess I'll just pause a little bit and we'll come back when this is all heated up. What?
We still haven't done my protein drink.
We can do that in a little bit.
Okay.
We're back.
Okay.
We didn't let it heat up all the way because this took up a lot longer than we thought, and it's getting late because I worked till midnight. So let's just have it now.
It's pretty much straight.
Yours is going to be hotter than mine. I already know that for sure, but mine is warm, which is a good temperature for me because I don't really prefer hot food. So let's take this out for you. It's warm. Should be delicious.
Delicious?
Delicious.
We're gonna need something to dry this off with.
We got toilet paper.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
Forgot we have napkins right behind the camera.
Okay. Chicken chunks. Let's see. How many? Oh, I also got tortillas. I'm gonna have to open it like this. Yes. I got one delicious seasoning packet and 2 tortillas.
Hey, I don't know
tortillas.
if I was supposed to do that, but that was nice.
What was it? Opening it on the side?
Yeah.
They always do. Okay, so I'm gonna make some chicken tacos. How did you open it on the side? Mine has these notches on the end.
So yeah, mine was supposed to be open this way. How nice.
Okay, so chicken chunks. Oh, chicken chunks. No, chunkies. No. Smells like spam.
It probably is something like spam.
Oh, juice on my pant legs. Yeah, I'm gonna do this too.
It's a little juicy.
It's very juicy. Holy crap, I didn't expect this. Oh, chicken. Actually, I remember him saying, that there's a lot of water in it.
Hey, you can't have that piece of chicken either, because that...
Yeah.
Right. So this is what mine looks like.
Mine literally looks like chicken chunks.
Yeah.
I can look at the scissors. I made a mess.
Oh, you made a huge mess.
I'm giving them a napkin.
Yeah. Have a napkin.
Let's dry this off. Chicken juices. That was bad.
That was really
Didn't expect that.
bad. Even though you watch the YouTube videos.
Yeah, he even gave a warning. Oh, before you eat it, it's gonna be watery. And he dumped it all out the window. So, like, nice. I'm gonna have to do some laundry too, because these are my work pants.
Hey, at least you have the weekend off.
Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna try the chicken. It tastes like canned chicken.
Let me grab a small piece.
It's not bad. It's chicken.
Yeah. Do you want to try some of mine?
Hmm? Sure. Have you had it?
Just about to.
Ooh. How it be?
I don't know how I feel about it.
Is it good? Do you like it?
Weird. Do you need me to feed you?
No.
Okay.
But is it good though?
It is this weird. I don't know if it's a metallic taste. Again, I'm jealous of yours. Yours is just straight up chicken.
Yeah, let me try that. A little bit of it.
Hi. Weird?
Yeah.
Weird.
I mean, it's not bad.
Hi. Hi, cutie. You want to see what's happening? Oh! Oh my god. Hi.
So I don't have any more cheese sauce, do I? No, I don't. Harry, you can't eat this. Okay. No, much better.
Yeah. That is it.
Yep. Yep. That's where it is. That's where it's at. Chicken chops.
She's behind me, by the way.
Sneaky cat.
She's such a cutie.
So I'm gonna put maybe my tequila.
Yeah, mine's a little weird, ain't it?
You don't like it?
Do you know what taste I'm talking about?
Yeah, slightly.
It could be the spinach.
Don't let her.
Oh my god. I love you, but not on the table. I don't want to eat cat.
Neither do I. Ah, my cheeks red.
Ooh, yes.
I'll save you the other one. If you really want me to.
Look at her. She's so
That's just mean. That's just rude. Oh, now I'm messy.
You were messy before.
Yeah.
It doesn't make any difference.
Very.
I'm sorry. Stop. I love you.
I didn't expect it to be this messy, but it tastes good.
Hi. No.
But yeah, I'm not gonna record us constantly eating.
Were there other stuff we needed to open too? Oh, by the way, I opened the pretzels. It's literally just pretzels. The bag kind of smells stale.
Yeah. Yeah, it's just pretzel sticks.
Yeah. That's it.
The bag is warm now.
Oh my god. Hi.
Okay, well, I had what I'm gonna have. You can have the rest of the chicken, I guess. Michaela?
Are you gonna eat something else?
I'll eat your Alfredo because you didn't seem to really care for it that much.
Okay.
Alright, well, that's the end of this video.
Overall, this was a good. We're still missing my protein drink powder.
We can do that tomorrow, or next video, or next time, next way, next try.
Oh my god.
She is so curious. Alright, well, that's it. I'll see ya. Next time I'm using a plate.